As I follow her come down, my body change. All my body change. Always people they be me. They be my money. All my money me in my account. 3,000 something. 3,000.
Hello my people, how na dey? Also na dey fine. Una do as una take help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well well. This video una just watch, so I go put the full video una lis ten to wetin happen to this lady. As me pick for inside, make I tell una. Okay, this lady say she dey go work, okay, or she dey go travel. So e happen for Italy. He say as he come dey for Milano Centrale, so he come see one agbo boy. The agbo boy come dey ask am say, abeg, where dem dey sell gold for here? Because he get gold wey he wan go sell. Then the woman come tell am say, no be here I dey, so I no know where dem dey sell gold for here. I just dey for transit. I dey wait to take my train make I go where I dey go. So then the woman in with the boy come dey talk for there. So as dem dey talk, so this woman come, they come see another our black boy. They come call am say, abeg, na here you dey stay. Na the person come tell am say yes. He say, abeg, when dem dey sell gold for this Milano. Na the boy come tell am say e dey for down. So if you reach down, you go see where dem dey sell gold for there. So this boy wey be say wan go sell gold now, he come still tell this woman say, abeg, make you just follow me go there. Because if you follow me go there, if I sell, I go give you something for inside, you know. So this woman say, now she come talk say, okay, her train never reach the time wey wan take come, make she just follow am go. He say as he just follow this boy go down, she no know wetin she dey do again. Okay, this one na new system of 419 wey be say dem dey use for Nigeria. They don carry am reach here. Make I just dey talk am dey go. So as he say, as he reach there now, as he come see say e body, he no know wetin he dey do again. So he come reach some certain time wey e come be say e body come back again. But when e body come back again, he don't know wetin dem dey do. He come see say he don get SMS for him phone say you withdraw so amount for your account. So and then she come like, wetin dey happen? During this time now, the boy don go. Okay. Now wow. He said the money wey be say na she withdraw by herself. It's about 3,000 something. Una go hear am for the video. Wait, so wetin me dey talk, me I no vex, so me I not too know am like that. But the small thing wey me still know, you fit withdraw maximum 1,000 euro, abi 500 euro a day. Because I not too much understand that place where be say she withdraw all the amount where they are account over 3,000 something 9 day there, and she can't withdraw. Because normally if you want withdraw that kind of money, you will go inside, you understand, Sportel, or that you go enter inside, withdraw the money where you want withdraw. Because normally with your card, either 500 or 1,000, then you feel withdraw a day. Now then, me I no understand. Abi she do one through her phone. Maybe not through her phone, then she take do one. You understand? You know, say you get your bank, everything for your phone. Maybe not through her bank, then she just like withdraw everything. Now then, I no understand, because she even show the paper say she do the donation of these people. They go see her, not be say they not go see them, because as far as say na this thing for happen, I know say camera dey all this train station, you understand, dem go see them. Because something like this I never hear am before. Na Nigeria we dey hear all these things, so dem don carry this system come here. Say if you talk to them, you no go know wetin you dey do again. Any money wey dey with you, both your account, hey, make una be careful. Make una not talk say una no hear. Make I put the video for una, make una lis ten. Na only this short place now, just one may I clear for inside, because maybe she withdraw through her app bank. Now she for do all those things, not be with card. Hey, now wow, be careful. The kind person one they talk to, they go come tell una say, abeg, make you just follow me go there. Person like me, no dey follow you go there. As far as say they don't tell you say na down, make you go, make I go my own side. Because maybe if I can't follow you now before I come, I go even miss my train. Maybe the woman even here say go give her small thing, I make her say okay, make she do one. Or maybe you just do one because of say okay, time still there. Anyway, I pray make them see them, so that the money wey be say the woman dey work, make them give her im money back. Because say na farm, I say na farm na she dey do. Small money wey person dey keep, una just use something take rub am take talk to una the person no come understand wetin e dey do again. Now wow, una 419 for Nigeria na don still carry am come here. Ogbalegbede o, here no be Naija o, but una no think say na she give una because una use something take touch am, she no know wetin she dey do again. E go come dey do zombie dey follow una. Anyway, make I put the video now. Bye bye for now, my people. Mona help me love and like and share this video for me. Leave your comment. What do you think about this video? Now bye bye.
Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. Depend how you take see me. I want to tell you something wetin I passed through yesterday for Milano Central. I come down for train. I want enter the second train. Me dey go my direction for where I dey work for Forger. As I come down for the train, so I come dey go board. Me and check where my Milano dey for my train. As I come down, I see one Nigeria boy. He say he na Agbo boy. He say he wan sell gold. He say they dey announce am for tell he say where they dey sell gold, e dey Milano Central dey there. Now I tell the boy, say I don't know where they dey sell this gold o, because I no dey live for Milano here. And I travel I dey. So he come say, okay, make me help and ask anybody. Now I say I don't get anybody, make me wan ask. As one Nigeria boy come dey come, now I say, bros, this our brother say he dey go sell gold. Whether he know where they dey sell the gold. Then the boy tell him say yes, he know where they dey sell the gold for down for Milano Central. He come say okay, he wan follow the boy, come go the place. Me come dey go where I want to go check my board. He come tell me say me abeg, me still follow am. If he sell the gold, he will give me some more money for inside. Now I say no buy money. Me see where he want to sell the gold. I can't follow am. My train me won't come. It remain 1 hour. Me my train won't take come. So now I can't follow am. As I follow am, come down, my body change. All my body change. All these people they be me. They be my money. All my money me dey my account. 3,000 something, 3,700 euro me dey my account. Everything, they take everything. They take everything from my hand. My account, everything empty. I withdraw the money by myself, give them. I don't know what they do. Before later, I come open my eyes say, my time me want to go where they go, don't pass. But I don't know what they do me. I can't check my phone. My phone network can't come as a message can't come from my phone. I say I will take money from my account. I open my account app. All my money me in my account. Everything wipe away. Everything wipe. Now I say I can't call the number. Maybe they say they give me. I can't call the number. They go again. My money go just like that. 3,700. Let me say they my account. Make me tell you work every day and night. I dey go fabrican work. You work every day. So I make me get my own self. Everything go like that. How my money go? In case now say that kind of thing, make una not mind anybody. The victim enter. I think I say my life see day because yesterday it remains small. Maybe one thing all end the life because many things dey my head. This one can say enter inside. In case now see anybody, me they ask una road and buy all those things because I don't mind them because they go where when they go. Many of them now jazz that they use jazz on me. They use jazz for my body. I don't know what thing they do. I call them mumu up and I don't know what thing they do. I get everything, all my money, everything go. Before I come down, I calm myself down. Police come, they calm me down. They come tell me wait, I can't expect things to give them. They come say, now what did they do for this Milano Central? Don't be every day the people they complain. Why would Nigerian people be like that? Now, fellow Nigeria. When una make the fabrica or farm work. Now farm work, now they do. I do farm work, I do fabrica work. To me to give myself, to me to sustain myself. Before I go inside office, they go call me, carry me go inside office, go do donation. At time I don't know their name. But if I see them, where me at the test stand, everything, I can't tell them, they can't say okay. They will give me feedback, make me take the donation then. So na the paper, me I take donation day yesterday for Milano Central. For Milan there, and the paper be this, and me I take do donation. Everything get how it did yesterday. Everything my money go. My money go. No. I won't come start from square one. For many years, even I dey work, I dey save my own money. Take care of myself. No. They can't say use. They pay me, but I leave everything for God. I would say advice una make una beg. If anybody dey ask una question for road, even una black, una white, because I no answer them. Because many of them they use jazz. As far as you open your mouth, answer them, reply them, the thing will enter your body. Person no dey no finish. Na my good, na I wan do. See where my good go land me now. Everything from my account, everything wipe away. Now wait, I want to get any eating to do it again. Everything wipe. Thank God for life, shall see now so you be. I say they are alive. Thank you.